my pleasure to announce Dr. Tina Kim as the recipient of the FMC MSA Resident and Fellow of the Year Award. Tina is someone who truly leads by example. As the current nephrology lead resident and previously the internal medicine lead resident, she has been a constant source of support, guidance, and calm for everyone around her. Whether it's advocating for residents, organizing scheduling and events behind the scenes, or simply checking in after a long call, Tina is always the person people turn to. She's also an incredible teacher. So many of us have learned from Tina not just because of her knowledge, but because of how she teaches. She's patient, thoughtful, and genuinely invested in helping others grow. She has a way of making even the most complex nephrology topics feel approachable, and she does it with kindness and humility. Alongside all this, Tina has built an impressive and meaningful research portfolio. Her work spans improving dialysis care, such as evaluating reduced blood work frequency in hemodialysis patients, to advancing home dialysis through studies on peritoneal dialysis access and reducing early loss before patients even begin therapy. She's also deeply involved in work examining reproductive health and chronic kidney disease, importantly, sex and gender differences in kidney care, helping to address critical gaps and move the field forward in equitable patient-centered care. That focus really just reflects who Tina is, not just an exceptional clinician and researcher, but someone who is thoughtful about the bigger picture of medicine and the patients we serve. But more than anything, Tina is simply an incredible person to work with. She is generous with her time, unwaveringly supportive, and brings a quiet confidence and positivity to everything she does. We're also lucky to have worked with her, and I truly can't think of anyone more deserving of this recognition. Congratulations, Dr. Tina Kim, on this well-deserved award.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm so incredibly honored and privileged to have been nominated and selected for this award. I still remember coming to the Foothills Hospital in Calgary in 2021 for my internal medicine residency. Having grown up in the East Coast in Halifax, coming out to Calgary was a really big move for me, as Halifax is a much smaller city than Calgary. And I'll never forget the first feeling I had stepping into the Foothills Hospital. I remember it was just absolute overwhelming fear because of how enormous the hospital was, and thinking to myself, like, what have I gotten into? I'm gonna be working at this gigantic hospital. But I would say over the last 5 years, Foothills has definitely become my home. Particularly in the last 2 years being able to do nephrology here, I've had the incredible opportunity to work with such amazing people, starting from the amazing mentors and nephrologists here, as well as all of the people, the allied healthcare staff, all the other staff, the nurses, the pharmacists, our social workers, our kinesiologists, everyone in Unit 27 and 37. They have all had such a huge impact on who I am today. In particular, I'd like to thank all of my mentors over the last couple of years. Thank you so much to Drs. Dumansky, Dr. McRae, Dr. Ma, Dr. Cherjazi, Dr. Kamar, Dr. Hemet, Dr. Yee, Dr. Harrison, Dr. Ravani, and Dr. Quinn. These are some of the special people who have been my great mentors over the last couple of years and who I'm very thankful for. It has really been a privilege to be able to take care of people who are experiencing life with kidney disease, and having been a part of their stories and a part of their care, that's really been an inspiration to me to pursue further training in home dialysis. And so I'll be moving to Toronto for home dialysis training so that I can become more skilled to be able to offer dialysis therapies that align with people's life goals. And so it's really with a sad heart that I'm leaving Calgary and the Foothills, but I'll definitely be carrying forward with me all of the valuable relationships and all of the valuable skills and memories from my past few years here. And I would really like to again thank the FMC MSA for the opportunity to be recognized for this award, and to my nominator. So thank you so much.